this time going loading bikes in the truck to go to the mountains, it stalled and it would not start again. So we had to switch over to the backup bike.
Thankfully for me, taking the backup bike means I get to ride Tim's primary bike, a KTM 300 XCW.
You can ride around the pit area. There are nice little loops you can ride. Different obstacles that you need to go over. All kinds of riding options at this place. There's some fun hill climbs. This one was washed out pretty good and kept me from getting all the way to the top. And we found some really nice, flowy, fun, not rocky types of trails, you know, out a little ways from the pit. And then we went down a nice big valley that overlooked a creek bed.
Yeah, it's gorgeous back here. Yeah, you hooked that one pretty tight, sweetie.
Deer in the bottom that we saw quite a ways away, but still could see them.
There's deer?
Yeah, there's deer running down.
Alto Pit, really nice OHV area, excellent trail system, lots of loops and little areas to play in. The pit is really fun.
Time to head home and fix the EX250.